If you want to get all survey submissions from the current user as it is displayed in our example, you should use our user history settings shortcut. Let's find out how to do this. To find this shortcut, go to the general settings part from your dashboard and choose the shortcuts tab. Scroll just a little bit and you can already see the user history settings shortcut. Then copy the given shortcode and paste it into your desired post or page to show all the survey submissions from the current user. You also have the option to decide the order of the data in your submissions table. Or you may decide that some data of your table may be unnecessary and you can remove it by unmarking the checkbox near the corresponding feature. Now let's also understand how we can put these shortcuts in our posts or pages. We click on the shortcut and copy it. Then go to the post section, add new. And from there, we can already paste our survey shortcut. We also have the option to save draft, preview it, or publish. And now we can see the customized version of our table.